Are you looking for how to convert DBX files into CSV file format, and are you searching for trusted solution online? Corbett Software Backup and Restore Wizard, perfect tool to convert multiple DBX files into CSV file format. Now let's check out the main features of the software. Bulk DBX files to CSV format conversion at once. Sort DBX files with various filters, date to, from email address etc. Perform conversion of selective DBX files into CSV file format. Maintains 100% data integrity of the converted files. Let's install and run the tool. Simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Click on Open tab and choose drop-down option. Select Email Data Files. Now select DBX Files option. Then select Choose Files or Choose Folders to browse DBX files from your system. You can choose the desired DBX files folder from your system, and after selecting the folder, click Select Folder to proceed. The software has analyzed files and folders. Select the required folder and software list all the emails in the panel. Now click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the email. The tool provides you with many useful tabs such as Content that lets you see the full body content of the email message. You can open or save all attachments from email message. Message Header helps you view the detailed routing information of the message such as sender, recipient, date, subject and more. The Hex View lets you see hexadecimal digit of an email message. Raw Message Preview for you can see selected email in raw message file format. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of Tool Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. Now you pick the emails field. You want to search for information from such name, subject to CC content and more. Now go to the Export tab, and select CSV option from drop-down menu. Now you can also mark the required folder and unmark the rest folder as per your requirement. Now go to Browse option and pick a location to save the output. Now let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders. After export is done, if you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. The next is skip grayed out folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your files. To create empty folders, please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is delete old folders if you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder. Next is an include email header. We recommend you disable this. The next one is an include attachment details. Enable this if you want attachments details. The last one is recovery mode. Enable this option for repair your corrupted DBX file. The last option is single folder for all files. Apply these advanced options as per your requirements. Finally, go to Save button and see the live process of DBX files conversion into CSV file format. If you want to convert complete data, then you need to buy license. Click on Open Folder option to view the output. Now you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get all DBX files conversion into CSV file format. Thanks for watching.